What's up, everybody? This is Michael, and welcome back to Trading Like Magic. In this video, I always do an update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. And today is June 9, 2021, and we are on the extreme fear. So, Bitcoin, as we talk about A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But currently, Bitcoin is creating a engulfing pattern, but it's too early to say because we still have 7 hours and 43 minutes to complete this candle. But we'll check the 4-hour chart, and right now the 4-hour chart is doing a V formation here. It could be a inverted head and shoulders. If this happen, the price might go here, or usually a bearish pennant. It was a bearish pennant. Sometimes it turns into a flag, so we don't know yet. So let's see. Just in case this one becomes a bearish flag, see, the price might go here on this support level and the 200 MA, or it could go up here too. So we'll check the chart next time. We'll do an update every day. And so I was thinking maybe the price will go in this level and go down. If not, goes above on this wave, so it could be the wave will be invalid. So, and if the price break on this trend line, so we are now in a bull market. So right now it's still this, we're still on a bearish pennant here. I'll do an adjustment here, so something like that. Okay. Ethereum, as we talk about this is also a bearish pennant, but currently Ethereum is creating inverted head and shoulders, but the challenge is it has to break this. Probably it will touch this 200 MA or this support level here, or I mean resistance here, and it will go down, but we'll see. And Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is still hanging on this trend line here. So, but I see this one is bearish flag pattern. So just be cautious, guys. I don't know. It could be the price could go 18. I don't know. We don't know yet. But right now, looks like I already put it in the posted on my trading view, trading like magic. You guys just check it out. Follow my trades here, and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, yeah, this is my other technical analysis to A B 1 2 3 4 5 A B C. I was thinking this one is a ABC pattern, so it will come here. So we'll see, because right now it's doing an engulfing pattern. Shiba Inu, it's not loading properly. So anyway, Shiba Inu is still on still on, it always still broke on the, okay, Shiba Inu still broke on the, it broke on the triangle, so we'll see. It's not, we're loading properly, so anyway guys, I found this one. um what are the most bullish and bearish months for Bitcoin? This is from this estimate, and this is the author. This one is 2 years ago. So usually January is down, March is down, May and June, we are in June, so we are still on a negative. For probably July will do some gains. Will be, July will be a green month for us, as I talk about this. We are in the fourth leg, so probably the price will go somewhere here, and July would be the fifth leg. That's what my um, personal price prediction. But guys, this is just my personal opinion. Don't trade based on my opinion, and I'm not a financial advisor. So this video is just for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes only. So do your own diligence, do your own research, and that's it. I guess anyway, guys, if there's cryptocurrency and stocks you want me to cover, I can make a video of it for free, and just share and like my video, and that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.